What if you could spend less time on your marketing strategies and spend more time on promoting your business using social media? In this video, you'll learn why social media is important, which social media platforms to use, how to find your target audience, how to create content, and how to promote your business on social media in 2021. Stay tuned for a bonus tip on how to automate the strategy and make the whole process less stressful. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, where I make videos on how to make money online through affiliate marketing tips and hacks based on thorough research and bring my findings to share with you. It's a common misconception that social media is just for sharing pictures, videos, and stories. Social media, in reality, is a much more complex beast. Previously, you could post content on Facebook or Twitter and expect to see results. This is no longer the case. Before posting anything, you should understand how each platform works in order to get the best results from your efforts. Social media is rapidly expanding and quickly becoming one of the most effective tools for business promotion. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Google+ are extremely popular these days. You can share your content with millions of people all over the world by using these social networking sites. According to statistics, approximately 1 billion people across all age groups and geographical locations use Facebook. The same is true for Twitter, where over 200 million users share their ideas and thoughts every day. These thoughts and ideas shared with the growing audience is a must for any business that wants to stay relevant in this fast and constantly changing business environment in 2021 and beyond. The significance of social media in business promotion cannot be overemphasized. One of the most significant benefits of using social media platforms is that you can promote your business quickly and for free. Because social media sites are free to use, they are extremely cost-effective for businesses. Social media platforms enable the creation of an online brand identity, which aids in search engine optimization, SEO, and brand visibility. Furthermore, most social media platforms allow users to directly respond to posts on their timelines, allowing for a more interactive relationship between businesses and customers. Also, social media allows immediate customer-client feedback by getting you an immediate response to any question you may have. It allows you to hear your customers' or clients' opinions, suggestions, complaints, and so on. This helps to improve your product quality, service delivery standards, and employee productivity. In addition to the pros, social media allows you to reach out to customers all over the world 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This means that if there is a customer, you can work for 24 hours without having to worry about time zones. When you have to pick what social media platforms to use for promoting your business on social media, the goal should not be to pick that one social media platform that is superior to all others, and that you should concentrate your efforts solely on. Rather, the point is that there will always be new platforms to consider, and it is critical to maintain an open mind about all platforms. This means you can take advantage of different platforms' strengths without wasting time trying, and failing, to make something viral on another platform, such as Vine or Google+. There are numerous social media platforms available to use for your business in this day and age. However, not all of them will be appropriate for you and your business. When deciding which platform or platforms to use, keep the following in mind. First, Facebook is excellent for maintaining relationships with current customers and attracting new ones. It allows you to easily share photos, videos, and updates, as well as allow people to comment on your products or services. It's also completely free. Some businesses have had success driving traffic back to their website or blog by using Facebook ads. Make sure you consider Facebook as a marketing tool for your company. YouTube is the next social media platform you can use to promote your business. By starting a YouTube channel, you can start uploading tutorials, videos about the products or services you provide, animations, and so on. You should also join the community and interact with other YouTube users by leaving comments and liking their videos. To be successful on YouTube, a business's channel must have consistent content from authoritative voices in the industry. If someone comes to your page looking for information, they will see that you are an expert on the subject. In this case, the audience who watches your videos would see your expertise. YouTube is the second most popular search engine, and it's one of the most effective ways to market your company. With so many videos available on YouTube, you're bound to come across some that are relevant to your industry. Just like with SEO, you'll want to use tags in your video titles and descriptions. The more specific the tags you choose, the more likely they will be clicked on by people who are looking for them. You can accomplish this by searching for video topics with high traffic potential and including a video transcript. Improve the video's title and description. Make use of an appealing thumbnail. Add timestamps to your videos and make sure your video is relevant to the web page you're embedding it on. As for Instagram, this relatively new marketing frontier is more popular than Twitter, has higher engagement rates, and gives businesses a new way to build meaningful relationships with their customers. According to a recent study, Instagram users are nearly twice as likely as Facebook or Twitter users to make purchases from brands they follow on Instagram. That means if you want your business to grow in 2021, you need to be using Instagram. You can get started right away by creating an account or simply downloading the app for free. It's critical to devote time and resources to promoting your business on Instagram, especially if you want to reach millennials. Hashtags are an essential part of the Instagram marketing process. These tags allow users to find other users who are discussing the same topic or event. Use hashtags that are relevant to your business, as well as popular hashtags that will attract a larger audience. Experts recommend that you include at least 6 to 7 hashtags in each post so that users can easily find them. Also, on Twitter and Instagram, use relevant hashtags. Hashtags increase the likelihood that someone will find your video by searching for that hashtag on the internet. Now that you have identified your target audience and figured out how to reach them with your content, how do you create your content? You can consider the type of content you want to create, such as educational or entertaining. You could also consider how you prefer to deliver the content, such as through videos or writing. This allows you to learn more about what works best for your target audience. Content creation, like everything else in business, is an art. It takes practice, just like any other art form, to become proficient in it. The best way to accomplish flawless content creation is to write down your ideas and stick to a schedule. A great way to get ideas for topics to write about if you're stuck for ideas is to create a list of topics that interest you, based off on keyword research or feedback from your followers. In order to increase your visibility on search engines, the most effective way to use SEO is to create high-quality content that can attract backlinks from reputable sites. Furthermore, the content must be unique in order to avoid being penalized by search engines. A summary of how you can use social media to promote your business is: Number 1, create an account on each platform that is relevant. Number 2, create engaging content. Number 3, use hashtags that are relevant to your brand. Number 4, post at the best times when your target audience is online. Number 5, maintain consistency. Now for my bonus tip. To promote your creative work on social media, and significantly reduce your weekly workload, you should make use of a social media scheduler. Scheduling your posts in advance allows you to focus on other important daily tasks while your social media posts go out on time. You can schedule tweets for times outside of office hours, which is especially useful for businesses with a target market that extends beyond local borders. Being able to manage multiple platforms, such as Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn, from a single location makes it easier to keep all accounts up to date. This also aids in the diversification of your content for the various platforms. By pre-scheduling your posts, you can maintain a consistent presence. In concluding, If you want to grow your business on social media, the best way to do so is to make videos that engage your audience. This can be accomplished by soliciting feedback from followers, which you can then use to create more relevant content in the future. Subscribe to this channel for more awesome affiliate marketing and make money online videos, and follow me on my social media accounts listed in the video description. I will catch you in the next video.